How to use promo codes on Target's app or website. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use promo codes for different discounts and offers on the Target app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, if you want to do it on the website, open up your web browser and go to target.com. Once you are here, make sure to log into your account. So as you can see here, I'm already logged in. And in order to use your promo codes, you first have to add items to your cart. So let's just go ahead and add this to our cart. The pair of sunglasses, click on Add to Cart. Once you've done that, you can view cart and checkout. So click on your cart here and select your product to check out of. So since I've already added my product here, I'm able to click on the checkout option. Click right here. And before you check out, you have an option to enter the promo code. So click on this promo code option, click on add. And if you have any valid promo code, you should be able to enter here and then click on add. Now, if this is valid, you should be able to save some money and get certain discounts. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.